What's up, everybody? Welcome to the My RC Life YouTube channel, where we do all things RC and a little bit of everything in between. Let's go!
What's going on, everybody? Traxxas Mike from My RC Life. I'm out here with my buddy Cory. We're at the skate park. He's gonna only run on his 7-cell nickel metal because I forgot the converter plug to let him plug in a couple 2 cells I brung for him. Duh, Mike. And I brung the Techno and the X-Max. I'm gonna bust these out and have a little fun out here. Here we go. Looks pretty dark over there. Woohoo, it's getting dark. Wow, that wind's really picking up, guys. Holy cow. Where'd that come from? Whoa! Check this out, Cory. Watch. Whoa, look at those trees whip. Let me teach you a little bit. So when you're coming off a jump, if you're going like this, tap your brake and it'll straighten it out. Or if you're going like this, hit your gas again. Holy cow! What the hell? What'd we run into, Cory? Okay, I'm going back to truck. Nice. I didn't even shut mine off.
I didn't either.
I was like, well, guys, we ran into a freaking rainstorm. Holy cow.
That was fast.
Yeah, it was. It was like 2 seconds. The wind came up. Tornado weather, boy.
Yeah, that tree branch came down.
Did it?
Yeah, right over there.
Holy cow. All right, so we're taking a break for now.
Oh, you got a bastard.
All right, we're out here again. It let down, it's sprinkling a little bit, but we're gonna go ahead and give it a try. We seen a guy on a 3-wheeled bicycle and we soaked him on accident. But man, that guy had a surfer wave come right up over and hit him from my poor little truck.
It was good. You got good.
Yeah, I did. Did I hit you? I'm sorry. Paybacks! Yeah, Cory! Nice! Yeah! Yeah! So I did! That's faster than it was off the stock motor.
Oh yeah.
I mean, not substantially, but a little bit. Nice!
Why am I turning not so...
What's it doing? Not wanting to turn?
No, it's not. Like there's good, but when I go forward, see how wide, like...
Just because it's front skidding, let off your gas a little bit.
Oh, okay.
The front tires are just pushing because it's slippery.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, if you slow down just a bit on your turns, let off the gas a bit.
Gotcha.
Just all the little stuff you'll need to know. Just like coming off of this jump. Do you see right here? It's got like a dip down.
Uh-huh.
If you hit this, your back tires are going to come up and it's one of them going to flip front over. But if you hit over here, it's not going to do that so much. Just because it's catching the rear tires right at the end. Peek! It's wanting to make it do a front flip. We'll line up and hit them together.
All right.
1, 2, 3, go! Oh, I just broke mine.
Oh, the shock.
Yeah. I got new metal shotguns at home. Yep. Time for X-Max.
Oh, the big boy.
Yeah, you're catching that little lip. Oh! No, I'm waiting. Oh, I got that one. Yes! Nice! Oh! What was that, X-Max? Even mine, when I'm going fast, they don't hardly want to turn. If I slow it down, it'll turn good. Nose plant. Usually when I jump over that, that's when I break something. On wheels!
Yeah. There we go.
She flies pretty straight. What do you think? Feels good out here in the rain, don't it? Nice! On wheels! Yeah. Cody, you should have seen it. There's this guy riding a three-wheel bicycle, and we were in the slow lane going through town, and we drenched him on accident, you know.
Oh yeah.
Whoa, that's pretty deep right there. How do you like the rain? Cooled off. Going dead? Yeah. Oh, jeez.
Oh, you found it. Yeah.
Nice job. Show the audience, Cody. This is why I made these for Cory. He lost one here, but Cody found it. You think she's got a double backflip in her? Almost! Almost!
Watch my front bumper. It's wedged behind my shock.
I broke something.
Did you break it?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. I seen that. I'm like, oh, no. Oh, no.
Look at that, guys.
Oh, shit.
There we go. Got that popped out.
Oh, no.
What broke here that my axle popped out? Oh, my inner hub.
No.
That's all right. These are big trucks. Landing them hard like that, that's what you get.
Yep. Oh, tire's coming off in it.
Yeah, and I heard something else making some noise too. Oh no, okay. So it's just a pin. Anyways, we got Cody here, one of Cory's good buddies. The bugs bit him as well. He went ahead and got a E-Revo. It's got the monster motor in it. Where's the ESC? Oh, you gotta buy an ESC, that's right.
I got it ordered right now. I'm just waiting for it to come in.
Heck
I gotta get the
yeah.
batteries.
Has it got this cover?
He's got it down there.
I got a spare one for you.
All right.
If you can't get it from him. Heck yeah, dude. Sit this back on there. Oh yeah. He's been bit as well, so this one will be probably on the channel a little bit as well, guys. All right, we're soaking wet. We're ready to wrap it up. I'm Traxxas Mike with Cory and Cody, and I'll see you later. Bye, guys.
Thanks for watching another episode of My RC Life. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.